Hi guys, today we're going to fold an origami ninja star. Take 8 pieces of paper, square shaped. Take one sheet, fold in half. Take one sheet, fold in half. Then fold an X. Like this. Now take these two sides and fold to the center line. Close the paper and now fold this V. Fold this V. We will get this shape. Make 8 such modules. Fold the paper in half, then fold an X. Fold these two to the center, close the sheet and fold the V. Now take one module, open this part, take another piece with this pointed edge and keep it here. Now tuck these extra parts within this flap like so. Repeat, open the flap, take another module, place it there and fold. Repeat. Now for the final piece, you will have something like this. So for this, repeat the same step. Open the flap, place the other module. Now, one minute. Open the flap, take the other module, place it between them. Now, immediately open this flap and place the last module within it, closing the circle. Now, repeat the same steps. Tuck these two portions in, and now within these two pockets, as you can see, tuck the remaining flaps inside. Okay, open the pocket and tuck it in. Now we have a transforming ninja star. Yeah, this is one way. To open it, just hold two opposite sides and push. Opposite sides and push. Thank you for watching.